Inside our Oyster Reef Restoration Unit, we are able to grow 1 million young oysters on different types of rock in just a matter of weeks. And most importantly, we can do this anywhere in the world. Around 40 kilometers off the Belgian coast in the North Sea, Jan de Nul placed 2,000 rocks on the seabed. For the first time, the team used its Oyster Reef Restoration Unit to inoculate them with around 1 million young oysters. It is a crucial step in restoring oyster reefs, which were once abundant across the North Sea, but have now almost completely disappeared.
We know that we have lost an enormous amount of oyster reef from the North Sea. Just the reef that we can document with very high precision, we know we've lost 1.75 million hectares, and we know that it's a very powerful habitat for biodiversity, for fish production, for all of the things that make a marine ecosystem function. So we would like to get that habitat back. You need a big partner if you're going to work in a system the size of the North Sea. The offshore wind construction industry is that partner.
Today, Jan de Nul can deliver reef restoration projects from A to Z, from growing oyster larvae to installing reefs on the seabed and monitoring their growth.
The design and the build of these containers has been 100% executed within Jan de Nul. In the future, these containers will go offshore, and then the inoculation process can happen offshore, very close to our installation sites all over the world.
Our next step will be to install this unit on one of our rock installation vessels, used to protect offshore energy infrastructure like wind farms. This will allow us to grow the oysters during the installation process. It's a win-win. We protect infrastructure and restore nature at the same time, so that oyster reefs can once again become the powerful ecosystem they used to be in the North Sea.